Horseshoe Bay from the top of the headland. It's really very beautiful, even with how rough it is today. And I love all the rocks. I'll show you a close-up of these ones out here. Oh, I just missed an awesome smash up. Let's see if we can get it again. Oh, there it is there. What about here? New one? Big smash. That might be a good one. Hold out for that one. Everywhere. Woo woo. And I think this third one will be good as well. Maybe. Might be getting a bit of backsplash there from the waves that are bouncing up against the rock and then going back. Yeah, you can see the whitewash there. Wow, wouldn't want to be stuck out in that. So that's over Victor Harbour Way. I'm not sure about that island, that might be Hitchin, where I'm going today.